very big update about Delhi University 5th cutoff 2020. See seriously, attentionally. This is video for you just factors determining DU 5th cutoff 2020. You can see some points here. Best of 4 subjects. The aggregate of the highest marks in any 4 subject of the qualifying class 12th board examination. As you know, program the UG program for which the candidate has applied, number of seats, total number of seats offered available in the colleges for the program opted, number of application, total number of application received from the for the program, cutoff trend, the DU cutoff or the programs over the years. DU cutoff 2020, you can see first cutoff, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. I'm telling you basically here about fifth cutoff. Admission process after DU fifth cutoff. Candidates are required to complete the document verification process of Delhi University after the declaration of every DU cutoff. Only those candidates who will complete the verification process, especially I'm telling you, and note down this, and pay the required admission fee will be offered a seat. And that was the update, and now I'm telling you these are all colleges. You can see which one you like and you want take admission in that particular college. You can read this, and you can read here the Delhi University cutoff science, arts, commerce, and BA program. For science, for arts, for commerce, for BA program, Delhi University fifth cutoff is about to announce, and you can see most important thing here: events and dates. Announcement of third Delhi University cutoff November 7 2020. So students, what is date today? Today is Tuesday 3rd of November. So 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th. Just you have time of remaining time is available 3 days of time. You have 3 days of time, and then your 5th cutoff will be release. And if you visited in this channel first time, you can subscribe this channel. Within 5 minutes I'll update you that 5th cutoff list has been released, so you can subscribe this channel for your benefit. And just that is in this article you can see. And if you want to read this all article, whole article, you can read complete article, and just it here. And students, if you share this video till end, please hit the like button and subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.